Here we are getting onto our airplane, going to be 14 hours. So at least 14 and a half hours to South Korea. TACOMA. Over there. The machines.
Put on those comfort shoes.
All right, we are here in Seoul, South Korea. We're still at the airport. We are getting ready to go to Terminal 1. And as you can see behind me, this airport is pretty big.
그래, 드디어. 너무 좋아?
티켓 없으면 못 들어가요? 티켓 없으면 못 들어가요? 티켓 없으면 못 들어가요? 티켓 없으면 못 들어가냐고. 여기 있잖아. 아니지.
We are here in Bangkok, and we just passed custom and got our luggage, so we are on our way to see Junior and them. Supposedly they're at the food court waiting for us. We're tired. We're supposed to meet the rest of the family here. No wonder you guys didn't respond back to us, man.
I know, I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna do this again.
Yeah, come on.
2 days of my life, dude.
I know. I don't know which day and nighttime anymore. How are you?
Good?
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
Finally made it.
Do we have any extra money left?
What did you get out? Hey.
Go order for that
curry?
guy.
Yeah, I can't
the
do curry.
master cooker. He's this is good.
I thought this was carrot.
Hey, come eat this.
Look at it. Look at that's carrot. Look at it from like that.
No, that's pepper. That's chili, man.
Oh my god.
That's Thai chili.
Carrot. I took a bite out of that. Yeah. Did you guys exchange already?
Huh?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
I have to buy it.
Oh, Hey, you don't.
Oh, this is bomb. Dude. Here, bun.
That's good.
เอาเกาเหลา
We are here waiting to go to Krabi Island. We will be flying on this airplane right here. All right. Đến chơi nhau hả? Đến một Krabi Island.
Krabi, here we come.
Yep. Here we are. We're ready to go to Krabi Island. He is sitting across from the guys from Cali. What are you doing? we got a full van right here. I don't know how we're gonna fit all that in there. We should put the small one out front when we stay. Why don't we use the small one out front? Yeah, let's put the small one out front. Yeah. I'll take a small one up front. Hey, Junior, shot. We could just fit that there, yeah. We are in full house.
Yep, we're not
We are in full house.
okay?
Woo! 2 days later, right?
2 days.
2 days later. 2 days later.
Boy, from track.
Oh, trucker! I love trucker like this. Better. I like off-road. This is nice.
Main road have construction.
Oh, okay.
Take us to the jungle.
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm not ready for jungle.
Yes, have tiger waiting you
I'm not ready.
for lunch. Where you come from?
From America. Yeah.
What state?
I'm from Georgia, and they're from California.
It
Yeah.
happened. Everybody give her
This
applause, please. It happened.
this is my first time in 42 years.
Were able to come here.
I grew up in Thailand. Yeah. I was in Ban Vinai.
Driver right here.
Ban
Vinai.
Vinai.
This is
Yeah.
E1.
North. Yeah, north of here. I don't know how far north. I don't know how far north, but yeah. Ban Vinai. And then I. Yeah, we're taking the shortcut. We're going to off-road right here. Avoid traffic, construction traffic. A lot of people live here? A lot of people live here? Oh.
Back road, right?
Yeah, this is the back road right here.
So we avoid traffic. The opposite direction of where we drive.
When he turned, I thought he was gonna change it. This is beautiful right here. Hey, Toyota Hilux. want to move back to Thailand now. It's so nice. Wall rider right here. là Tây Nguyên.
This beach not beautiful if low tide.
Oh,
Beautiful if high tide.
oh, high tide,
And,
beautiful.
Ao Nang Beach behind the mountain.
Aha.
This not Ao Nang Beach.
Which beach is the nicest?
Over there,
Behind
the mountain.
Behind Riley? Riley Beach? Riley?
No, Riley Beach, far beyond mountain. Yes. Take long cable from Ao Nang about 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes.
Yes, for to Riley.
That should net. They thought go down. Yeah.
Ao Nang Beach from your hotel only 800 meters.
Oh, okay. So we can walk.
Yes.
This is the other hotel I was thinking about booking right here.
So close to the beach. Very close. We are right next to the beach. We can actually walk to the market and to the beach. So this is very, very close and very nice. We are here. Shalisha. All right, we just got our room and we are heading into our rooms right now. It's so beautiful out here. It's just so quiet, peaceful. There's a lot of tourist people here, but still.
Yeah.
15. We are 15. 15. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this go outside too? No? No?
Alrighty. Wow. Look at this. Here's our shower tub right here. And then walking into our bedroom. And right behind the bed is the bathroom. This is very, very cozy. Yeah, very refreshing mango. Super good. We are walking down the street now. Oh yeah. Man, all legs gonna be that size. That thing won't fit our legs. That thing will not fit. This thing will not fit our legs. Sao đúng rồi, papaya sao lại? Here's your fresh fruit right here, Sai. We are here at the beach, just hanging out, checking the view. Very close to our hotel. And tomorrow, Tuesday, we're gonna go explore more. But this is just a glimpse of what we're gonna be here the next couple days.